Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Achaya. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So, in the previous videos, we have discussed about and we have learned about what crop advisory systems are and what types of crop advisory system exist. Now, let me take you one step further. Today's agriculture is not just about growing crops, it is about growing crops efficiently, sustainably, and also safely under these variable climate conditions. And that is why today's topic focuses on the role of crop advisory system in precision agriculture and climate resilience. Let us first understand the reality faced by the farmers. So, farmers are dealing with climate variability and extreme weather events, rising cost of inputs like seeds, fertilizer, and the fuel for the farm machinery, and scarcity of critical resources such as water and nutrients. The question is, how can crop advisory system help farmers survive and succeed in such conditions? So let's explore right input, right time, right place, and the right quantity. So, particularly this slide explains the heart of precision agriculture. Precision agriculture means applying the right input at the right time, in the right place, at the right quantity. All right, which means the precision agriculture. Instead of blanket application, decisions are data driven. Crop advisory systems make this precision possible by guiding farmers very accurately and precisely. That's why it's named as precision farming. Then the role of crop advisory systems. Now let us clearly define the role of crop advisory system. They support the farmers through site specific decision making based on the soil, crop and local weather. Input optimization, like by reducing the waste and cost. Real time field monitoring, which uses the sensors and satellites. Data driven farm management, which is absolutely supported by the models and AI. So, advisory system acts like a smart assistant for the farmers. Let us pause here and think like farmers. Imagine you are managing a irrigation in water scarce region. In a water scarce region, the question is, how can precise irrigation scheduling save water on farms? Think for a minute and discuss with your partner. This actually helps you understand why precision matters at the field level. Think of and you'll explain at the end of the class. Then, climate change and agriculture. Climate change is no longer a future problem, it is actually a present reality. Farmers now face irregular rainfall, heat stress on crops, and also the frost damage, floods, and droughts. Traditional farming practices alone are not enough to handle these challenges. So, as an impact due to climate change, crop growth stages are disturbed. Pest and disease patterns are changing. Yield uncertainty is actually rising and rising much. In such situation, farmers need timely warnings and scientific guidance. This is where the advisory system plays a very crucial role. Then the climate resilience support. The climate resilience support, which means the ability to prepare for climate stress, adapt to the changing conditions, and also the recover from extreme events. Crop advisory system support climate resilience by providing the early forecast and early warnings and suggesting the adaptive practices and reducing the climate related risk. They help they actually help farmers from the reaction to the preparedness by forecasting. Then weather based advisory services. One of the strongest tools I'm mentioning here, one of the strongest tools for climate resilience is weather based advisory services. These includes short and medium term weather forecast, rainfall based sowing advisories, and also heat and frost warnings, alert from extreme events like cyclones, droughts, and floods. Such advisories help farmers plan ahead instead of suffering losses. Uh, Crop advisory systems enable precision agriculture, optimize the input use, and also the support real-time monitoring and improve climate resilience, helps the farmers to manage the uncertainty scientifically. In order to summarize, crop advisory system which is very much useful in precision agriculture, which is like appropriately reduces the and optimize the input usage, and which is the real time smart supporter for monitoring and also improve the climate resilience and to manage the farmers uncertainty scientifically. They are no longer optional tools, they are very much essential for farming partners. Then hereby in this slide, let me test your understanding again. Which crop advisory system uses learning algorithm? Obviously, the correct answer is AI based system. And now a simple assessment question. Which advisory helps farmers prepare for extreme weather? The answer lies in the question. Yes, it is the weather based advisory system. So hereby the standard references. So students are encouraged to explore these to understand the implementations through these references. Thank you. Hope you all understand this video. See you in next video. Thank you.